This week, I've spent time looking at how and what I should use the data I gain from GitHub for. From brainstorming, I've decided to look into procedurally generating game vegetation. A popular approach to generating game vegetation is to use fractal algorithms and L systems. Currently, I'm using a popular simple tree fractal algorithm. This algorithm works by drawing a trunk. At the end of each trunk, two new branches are created by a split-off expressed by a given angle. This algorithm recursively performs this to a given depth. I've so far experimented and added to the algorithm by varying the angles of branches using a random value, creating visually more interesting and less symmetrical trees. To make use of the data I can gain from the GitHub API and a user's profile, my current idea is to use a GitHub repository to control the generation parameters of trees and other types of vegetation. Access to a user's public and private repo information can be fetched down from the GitHub API. Access to private repos is only granted to token authenticated users possessing the repo scope. From gaining access to users' repos, I moved on to using the data belonging to repositories to affect vegetation generation. Currently, I'm using this project's repos commit count to control the depth of the tree. I'm planning on taking this further, for instance using the ratio of code deletions and additions to control leaf coverage, or deletions to control a random chance of missing branches on a current recursion. Over the next week, I want to look further into my current fractal algorithm and investigate L systems. Alongside this, I want to create the assets generated within this project to be exportable and usable within other projects.